Time for some Braxton Creates. Playing Beast Form Simulator. Please do Beast Form, please. Fine, I'll do it. He's done it. He's actually done it. Yay! I gotta celebrate. It's time to celebrate. Beast Form Simulator. Made by Onnit. It's time for Beast Form. Once again. Hello, it's me, the developer of Sticker Swarm Simulator. It's Beastmas in July, and I've always, and an opportunity for me to do something I've always wanted. I'm not even gonna read it. That's how lazy I am. Okay. Also, by the way, guys, welcome to the video. If you don't know me, well, I actually think you've read. Okay, if you don't know me, I'm Radrai or Charizard 911. Why do I have such a cringe name, you ask? Oh, I don't know actually. Oh yeah. I haven't played in a while. Yeah. So I'm gonna be touring stuff and yeah. Also, Braxton, I think you're probably watching this right now. Maybe we should do what the heck? A Beast Form collab right now. Right, well, soon. And, well, I play Brawl Stars now, but not a Brawl Stars YouTuber. Let's kill this wolf. I can, one-shot it. Yeah, I killed man. I remember when I got lucky. I need to collect snowflakes. I do have a quest, which is pretty easy. So I'm going to go grind on that.
It might seem